How's it going, guys? Adrian here at Woods Indian, bringing you one of our new models up and coming, the Challenger Dark Horse. Come check it out here. We'll have many more models like this. February 15th, we'll be opening our doors. Woods Indian, hope to see y'all out there.